Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up individual subscription on Apple Music. It's very easy. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is open your Apple Music application and then click on the listing now option at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, you just have to scroll down to this point where you're going to find subscriptions. Now I'm going to click on that, and after clicking on that, I'm going to find this Apple Music option right here. Let's wait for it to load. Now I'm going to find this Apple Music option at the bottom of my screen. I had a plan, I had a subscription on Apple Music before and it has expired, so I'm going to click on this Apple Music option at the bottom of my screen to purchase the individual subscription plan. Now as you can see right here, you find all the options right here. Now the first one is the individual subscription. All right, I'm going to click on that one, and once I click on that one, I'll get the subscribe option at the bottom of my screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that to set up individual subscription on my Apple Music app. Alright, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equal subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.